Hi everyone, it's Meg. I'm back with Lakeland, here to show you this incredible range of baking tins, whether you're here to replace something or whether you're here to start a brand new range of trusty baking tins. We all know that the best bakes start with the best tins. One of my favourite things is the mini sandwich tins. These are great for sweet, they are great for savoury as well. They've got these awesome pop-out bases on them, which means that if I pop a cheesecake in there, I don't have to worry about getting a spoon in to dig that base out. They pop out with no problem at all because they've got 2 layers of non-stick in them. Another great feature of these, which I absolutely love and makes life easier for everybody, is they've got a fill line in them. And when I'm baking for my friends, get the complaint of, she had one bigger than me, or this one was smaller. With these fill lines, I know that everything is uniform, they all come out at the same height, and it stops all the arguments when I'm making afternoon tea. Next up, we've got these round tins here, which also come as a square with these loose-based tins. They're great, I can pop the bottoms of them out. They've got the sizes written on there, so I know exactly how to match them up to get a top and bottom half if I was to cook a sponge. Another great thing about these tins is they've got these slightly tapered edges, which makes them super simple to stack and keeps my cupboards nice and tidy. Another awesome tin that we've got here is these springform tins. They're great for things like cheesecakes, where you've got a really delicate base or something with sides that you need to make sure you keep straight. They're easy to use, you can literally just pop, push, and go. A staple part to any great kitchen is a really good roasting tin, and this one is one of my favourites. We've got the sure grip handles to ensure that I don't drop it on the floor as I take it in or out of the oven. It's nice and deep, I can fit loads of veg in there along with whatever meat that I'm going to cook. And the nice contoured base will ensure that I've got a great even cook across the rest of my food. However, my favourite part is the pouring nose. It's brilliant for getting all of those nice juices off that have been bubbling away to make my gravy. Now everybody loves a good brownie, and these Lakeland brownie tins are brilliant. They've got these marks all the way along the side, so I know that every slice that I cut is going to be nice and even. My favourite bit's the crunchy bit on the edge. I don't know about you, but I can't wait to try these. So there you have it, just a few of my favourite pieces from the Lakeland Ovenware range. For all of your baking and cooking needs, just head over to the Lakeland website.